Alright guys, we got the Csx L190-18 eastbound local freight train. It's headed to the destination at the Grafton yard, heading east on Main 2 at 10:13 a.m. It is 10:14 a.m. in the morning. As the Csx headed approaching the MD Tower east on track Main 2. So, it should be on the way. So, let's check it out. Here we go, folks. Where could it be? There he is! Get ready! He chuffed. No, well, they're going to be the horn, so they're going to train on this one. They chuffed on this one. He chuffed. Whatever, when I go wonder what the diesel locomotives. Oh my god, you're crazy. Oh! Yep, first gen K5HL train on. Yep, I'm glad we keep up forming. Yep. Nice, that's how we do it. So it's not 52013, 5401. L190-18, CXT 5401. Eastbound on the main line track to clear empty tower out. So always getting information on this train. No other than that. I'm giving the title on the ramp on the video hotspot on this round. CXBF train, dispatcher Josh Ryan, your local ramp and a hotspot answered over. I got the ETC, I got the train ID for the CXC, track 40, L190-18 over. Alrighty then. I got the EC1 number is 8722119, 8772219, train ID L190-18, engine CXC 5401, overall track the 4.6 and the 3.6 to the shade tower over. Alright, 8772219 and engine CXC 190-18, CXC 5401. All tracks on the morning of 48.6 to the 2.6 to the shade tower. That's not correct there, and then it was the engineer grade. Over. Higher grade. Over. Alright, we're going to reach on track on 40, 772 to reach on tracks and the JC yard. Over. Federation of Warning on Drug 18, the one is 87722, the 19, the one that is small, number GCC, over. Alright, then, have a good one. Thank you, you too. This is Josh Ranger, local Raven Hospital, 10-4, over and out. Shh. L190-18, Csxt 5401. East Army Lane track through, clear, MO tower out. Shh. Uh-oh, there's gonna be the train before won't last long, man. Time is running out. That's crazy, man. And there you have it. Civil line train to Csx L190-18, eastbound local freight train. That originates from the Parkersburg, West Virginia, Parkersburg Yard, heads east to Grafton, West Virginia, when it terminates at the Grafton Yard on this Wednesday, September 18th, 2024. Josh Rainer, to General. This is Josh Rainer, North Central West Virginia Rail and Hotspot, and we are out. Here comes the next video. Roll 'em.